Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox Apple iPad mini 5. Let's see guys. Wow, it looks nice. Here we have the USB cable for the charger, catalogs and the adapter. Guys, let's open the iPad 5 mini. You can see the earphone jack on the top of the device. There is an 8 megapixel rear camera and it's not a projector one, just it stays on the same level of the surface. And we have a 7 megapixel front camera. At the bottom we have a speaker and the charger USB port, Apple logo at the back of the iPad mini. Let's start the device friends. Select the language, country and do the initial settings. See, welcome to iPad. Screen movements are really smooth guys. Just check, it's just checking different apps. It weighs 308 grams. It has 7.9-inch IPS display with 16.7 million colors. It looks really vibrant. This device has 2 GB RAM with 64 GB internal memory. And it comes in 256 GB variant also. Its processor is really good guys. Actually it is similar to iPad mini 4, but this one is really thin and handy. You can enjoy in portrait and landscape mode. See, as long as you are not planning to replace your laptop with this, it's fine. This is a smaller one as name mentions. Anyways, it looks impressive, nice design, good specs, and the battery backup will be good. Smooth texture. Overall, the Apple iPad mini 5 looks impressive guys, and I really enjoyed the unboxing and the first look. We tried to draw a logo in Procreate software using Apple Pencil first generation, which is suitable for this device. And also attach the full specification of the iPad mini 5 at the end guys. Please have a look. Its MRP price is rupees 34,900. And please subscribe to my channel and also like the video guys.